good. These pins, they belong here, there, and also this screw is broken out. It's not repairable. This was the Nikon DX NIKKOR 18-105mm and so on ED lens for a Nikon camera with vibration reduction. Right now I just removed 80 screws from it. I don't know what's interesting and what not. Maybe everything is not interesting, but I'll just act as if it was a live screen and just cut the cleaning up of the desk. It came loose. Appropriate for a live stream. Uh-oh, I stripped it. It's destroyed. Three. What we can do. That's something I can do. Hooray! What? Nothing. Did it work? Yes. Screws I removed already. Trying to find. Don't. Let's make this around 80. 79. 80. That's all we got out of it. It's like 80 screws.